I go from this to this. This is my beard freshly washed. I'll use sea salt spray. I'll add a little bit of that to my beard, working it in. Comb the sea salt spray through my hair. Work downward with the hairdryer on a hot setting. And roll it slightly under and coax the curls of my handlebar into the beard. Take styling balm, rub it through, smooth out the top of the hair, pull the tails into my beard. Takes me no more than 3 minutes.
Comb, place one end by your ear, the other one down towards the corner of your mouth. You're gonna let everything below grow, shave everything above. Head straight, take your finger, boom. You're shaving everything below and leaving everything above.
Sick with it, group drop.
Yo, to all my bearded men, y'all can stay. All you other little girls got to dip, alright? I'm gonna show you how to maintain your beards, alright? So look, I look a little dirty, but that's okay because I got a straight blade and some razors. You can get them on Amazon for like $10, $15, alright? So no complaining. What you wanna do is, right, you gotta grab a new blade every single time, bro. I don't care. If you don't use a new blade every time, you're dirty and you have AIDS, facts. Now that you got a new blade in the thing, right, you wanna open it up like this, put your pinky in this gap, grab this part right here with your index and your thumb, and then you can do whatever you want with these fingers, I don't care. So you wanna put your index and your thumb there so you can apply pressure, alright? So the key to success, the secret, you want to pull your skin so you don't cut anything. On top of that, you want to use a cream, but I don't need a cream because I'm built different. It's just simple, right? Nah, but it should look something like this. Let me know if you guys want a part 2.
Take the back corner up and bring it forward to longer length than the front. What that will do from the front is take off these sides and elongate the face. This is particularly good for guys who do have square faces or round faces. By elongating the front, by trimming the sides tighter, you can get more of an elongated look overall.
Wolverine. Boom! Now I'm Wolverine for a few days.
Let's go. Hey, she shot me down, bang, bang. Yeah. She shot me down, bang, bang.
Nah, I don't play with these niggas, never play with it. Niggas know I keep a K with it. It's like a belly, waving it, all my hips on the loose. Ain't no taming up. Step in the game and start changing it. Spit through your blood, Tetris, bend it. All the outs for the shot, back 'em. If I do got the top, deck 'em.